In today's video, we will learn how to install our floor liners on a Jeep Wrangler. If you haven't joined our Elite Club yet, you can scan our QR code to become a member here by scanning it on your camera app and entering some basic information about your vehicle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you get more videos just like this one. Let's get to it. Make sure you remove the old floor mats from your car, since you won't be needing those anymore. Slide the floor liner up underneath the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Make sure that anchors are aligned so you can push down gently onto the retainer hook. You should hear a snap when it's secured. Slide the floor liner up on the passenger floor. Make sure that anchors are aligned so you can push down gently onto the retainer hook. You should hear a snap when it's secured. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be the first to be notified of when our video drops. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media. From Lasfit, goodbye.